Hi, have you heard about Bitcoin? Have you heard about blockchain? Have you heard about cryptocurrency? I believe you have heard those terms being thrown left, right, and center. But basically, I know you have heard about real estate. My name is Reuben Kimani. I'm the CEO, Username Investment Limited. Username is a fast-growing real estate company in Kenya, and we focus on affordable, genuine, value-added, and land that is in highly growing areas in the country. Today, we'd like to compare Bitcoin and real estate as a way of investing. This is Real Estate in Kenya with Reuben Kimani. Today we'd like to speak about Bitcoin as compared with real estate as a form of investment. We have covered several topics before, and thank you for watching. I would like to start by maybe defining what Bitcoin is, what blockchain is, what cryptocurrency is, what real estate is. I believe there have been some confusion. You may not be able to understand when you hear people talk about Bitcoin, when you hear people talk about blockchain. I would like to define that, then explain to you why you should consider real estate as compared to Bitcoin. I believe that's the biggest thing in town right now. So we'd like to start about by defining and explaining a bit what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is an implementation of a technology called blockchain. I believe we are together. Bitcoin is an implementation of technology called blockchain. And blockchain is one of the, I would say, is one of those technologies that are expected to change the whole way on how things are done, especially in finance, in real estate, and many other sectors. It's expected to revolutionize how we do things. That is blockchain, and it is based on decentralized ledgers that reduce the middlemen in between, making transaction much safer, easier to do, and much cheaper. Then we have cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is basically a digital currency that is based on encryption technologies that determine how these cryptocurrencies like blockchain are created and how they are transferred from one person to another. Basically, it's a safer method. And having explained and defined those terms, I believe now you understand. There's been a lot of talk about Bitcoin. People are buying Bitcoin. One day you hear Bitcoin is at 10,000 in terms of dollars. And last December it was $20,000. And it started with like $100. There have been a lot of gain that you can cash in that, and people have seen the opportunity, and many people have flocked and tried to buy Bitcoin as a way of investment. Bitcoin has several advantages. You put little amounts of money and you're able to get huge capital gains, huge gains over a very short period of time. That's why you see everyone flocking there. But looking at Bitcoin as a way of investment, there are several flaws that I would like to mention that you might need to look at before you invest in Bitcoin. One of the challenges of investing in this cryptocurrency called Bitcoin, and there are many others like Ripple and Ethereum that fall under the same category, is that it is a very volatile kind of an investment. One of the things about real estate, which I'm going to speak about later, it is that it is tangible. It is backed up by fundamental or tangible assets. Bitcoin is not. That makes it very volatile. It is something that, for some people, they say something that is in the air. Just put your money in a digital kind of a setup, but you cannot be able to touch it. That makes it quite volatile. The other thing about Bitcoin is that it is not regulated. You may have heard about governments, especially in Europe, in Japan and South Korea, advising their citizens about the dangers of putting their monies in Bitcoin, and they have they are not regulated. Basically, if you lose your money in Bitcoin, there's no one to be able to follow up. It's like having no police to report to if you find yourself in a burglary incident. Basically, you're on your own in case you lose your money. For more of this content, subscribe to our channel and leave your comments. Thank you.